So, hey big dog. This is an example of a recording in the daytime. I believe it's about 10 a.m. So, as you can see, not too cloudy. There's some birds there. I currently have the white balance set to daylight. You can also have it set to auto, but when you can use it in the appropriate times of day, I would definitely recommend it. Here's a tree, more of the sky. I also do not recommend pointing the lens of the camera towards the sun at all, because it could really damage the lens. So it's a little outdoorsy video example. Let's see if we can zoom into the tree there. You can see it captures the sunlight pretty well, I think. This camera is a fixed focus camcorder, so you can't like autofocus. As you can see, if I put my hand in front of the camera, it's kind of blurry. But as long as things are a little bit distance away, then I think it looks better. That's like where the focus is meant to be. But yeah, daytime example.